2011 Skoda Roomster. So if we open up the boot here, customer had a Alderson subwoofer he's brought to us. He's had installed just here at the back. Obviously he's also gone for some focal speakers in the front of the vehicle. This is the access range. So he's gone for a 6.5-inch coaxial. We've also installed a Pioneer unit, which will be here, which is the DA250DAB, which is full here. If we come around to the front of the vehicle now, as you can see where the door cards have been installed, there's no change on the door cards. The original radio is here, obviously very dated, very limited. Obviously the new one has his ability for CarPlay and everything like that through here. So he's got his DAB, FM, normal radio stations on there.